Want to add targeted lead on automation on Facebook? Watch this video. So hey guys, what's up? RJ here, back with another video. So today in this video we're simply talking about a Chrome extension that's called Friendconnector. Now if you don't know what Friendconnector generally is, it's a Chrome extension that lets you add targeted people into your friend list, so you can simply have like generated targeted leads into your Facebook profile. So let's dive into the screen. So if you see right now over here, this is generally the Friendconnector Chrome extension. So how it works is that it will work on any profile, it will work on any group, like any members out there. It will work on the people you may know. Like right now I'm talking about the features where it works. So first of all, if I talk about like a huge game changer when it comes to sending requests to the people, because first of all, once we are like using targeted leads, everything happens on automation. Like everything is happening on automation. You don't need to do simply anything. Like everything is happening on the automation with a single base of click. And once the Chrome extension starts, everything is happening on the automation, and you're just watching how this extension is working and adding targeted leads into your Facebook account. So first of all, if I talk about how it works on the Facebook profile, is that how it works is you need to go into the Facebook profile. Like if I go right now like this, guys, just need to click on it. Friends. Okay, so generally the thing with this guy is that he allows only like mutual friends. Like if someone have allowed like more than like mutual friends, everything else you can simply send them the request on automation base as well. So like let us dive into the Facebook group to let you know how it works in the Facebook group and everything else. Like the only difference between a Facebook profile and the Facebook group is generally is on the Facebook profile, if someone have the privacy of the like friends, then like it might not work because we all have the mutual friends sharing and that's it. But on group it's totally available. Like if you go into the members, once you get into the members, the other thing what you simply need to do is that you will go into the Chrome extension. Now there are like so many awesome features. The first thing is that what should be the time interval. Like in most cases I do 1 minute, that's totally valid. Like request limit, what is the number of requests that you want to limit during that process that is happening, infinite or limited. I guess in most cases I do limited just because I want to. Number of requests, so how many number of requests you want to send during that particular time frame, because it's a limited that you've set and about to set some type of limits. So I did it on 300. Resume on last search. Like if you remember your last search on what index number, like if I do over here yes, then I need to put the last search member position. Okay, I will show you right now what is the search member position, how it works. Like it's so simple and easy to use, like it's totally a layman person can simply use it. So resume from last search, I'm right now doing no. Then it comes for keywords. Now if you don't know what keyword generally is, keyword is something that comes over here. Like if you see over here, this owner and founder, this commercial HVAC manager, like these things are the keywords. Like you can simply target the people depending upon any type of keywords you're putting up in the extension. Like I've put up owner, founder, CEO, founder, CEO, owner and founder. I can simply do how many keywords I can simply want, like marketer. Like I can simply do anything that I simply want. So they will Chrome extension will start to search with these particular keywords and then filter out. If anyone have this keyword, they will send it friend request. Now the other thing is that I need to run it. That's it. Now if you see these red things are the members number. Okay, now what Chrome extension is generally doing is that it's started running and then see anyone who's matching out with the particular criteria of the keywords, and then it start to send the friend request to those people on automation. Like it's something like you can simply make friends while you sleep. That's how it works. So like if we dive in right now, if like we're not closing it or we're not stopping it, so if you see it right now, it's on the loading scale over here. It's starting testing everything depending upon the keyword we had. Like if anyone have those particular keywords, extension will start to run and send the messages on the automation base. Like we are not doing anything, if we want to use Facebook alongside it to do the work, what we simply do is that we click on the home, like do open link in new tab. Over this tab we will start using Facebook, and over the other tab we will simply let the Chrome extension do the work. So over here we can simply use whatever the Facebook work we need to do. Over here we can simply do anything. We just look, it just right now, if you see over here, it sends the friend request right now. Because if you see over here, this person has the founder as a keyword, so that was the reason it sent the friend request to that person, because it was a founder. That's how it generally works. It's like testing every single person out there to see how it works. As you know, we have set up the time interval of 1 minute, so after 1 minute each it will start to go on for the next person, and then the next person, and then the next person. That's how it goes. So like it's an awesome tool to have, like to automate every process. Like I'm using Friendconnector from a long time, and like it's been so easy for me to add targeted leads and then convert those leads into customers. So like it's way too easy task to do it. So that's how, like in most cases, I use Friendconnector, because I'm totally in love with it. Now when it comes to the pricing point and everything else, when it comes to pricing, look, if you see right now, it's starting searching and to see if someone matches to the keywords and everything else. If right now, if you see the person, like whatever the person name is, there is a keyword of a founder, and it will send the request to that particular person because he has the keyword. Like I'm not doing anything, everything happening with the Chrome extension on its own. So like it's way too easy to do it. So now if we talk about the pricing of the Friendconnector, like it's super affordable right now, because later on they have this they have some like update in place, and then they will like increase the price of the Friendconnector. So generally right now Friendconnector with every features, it's like it's generally like $17 per month, or you can simply get it over the subscription base of $120 yearly. Like you can simply save like some type of discounts over there as well. So like it's $17 per month, and like it's totally worth it. Like either if you need, or if you want to have targeted leads in your Facebook account, either you need to waste your own time, or you can simply need to hire VA and spend money over it. Like if you're paying $17 per month, you're doing everything on automation, and everything can be done on automation. Other than this, I also have a Chrome extension that sends the first message automatically when someone accepts your friend request or you accept someone else's friend request on automation. Like this extension is completely a pure fit to my extension as well. So like if someone accepts your friend request or you accept someone else's friend request, then my extension, what is called Friend Funnels, will send the first message automatically whatever you set up in the Chrome extension. Okay, I will put the link of that in the description down below. At the time of this video, it will be like $297 one time, but when you saw the video, I guess in my opinion it will be like $29 a month or $297 per year. Better to grab that particular extension as well. Friend Funnels plus Friendconnector is totally the save of money and save you time, and it will give you like so much overall revenue, your time. It will save you so much from your VAs, like totally insane. So links are in the description down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell on, and see you guys in the next one.